What's up, guys? Today we are a sibling in the cat area.
What are you gonna be playing?
Yeah, he's gonna be playing my cat. And look at this one. This is a ball, I think. I think this is a ball. My name is Armando Pascaloca, World's Adventure, and I'm all the Hat Boy Sonic. Wait, and I'm all the Hat Boy Sonic. This is Amalo. His name is Amalo, and my name is Armando. Yeah, you're eating. Look at Morty. He's a good dog. It's a good dog. This is nice. Go inside to sleep. For cats. This is going down. This is for cats. This is for cats. See? And this is a swing for cats. My dad is putting it down. Check it out. What's that? This is a ball for it. This is a ball. No. Okay, let's do this. This is a kitty cat. I'm petting him. And he's a baby cat. Yeah. Yeah, he's a baby cat. Just a baby cat. I'm petting him. Okay.